Hey, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the scholarships in UK that is hosted by the University College London, UCL, one of the top premier institutions in the UK. We'll show the full process for this Global Masters Scholarship 2026. Before that, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, please do like this video and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this scholarship in UK is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective description of each of the videos. And in the Instagram, you can directly message our team and ask for the link. Or Instagram, you can see posts. Each post has a link in description. And on about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are given there. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And once you are on our website fullscholarships.net, you can read about this particular scholarship here. So some courses might be partially funded and most of the courses are fully funded. Deadline is 7th of May 2026 and it's for the masters. So low income background students can apply for this particular scholarship. And this scholarship aims to bridge the gap between the students who are like from diverse backgrounds and have low income, so they'll be getting this funding so that they can complete their masters in the UCL. Annual grant of around £15,000 will be given. Alumni access, network services will be also provided. Then eligibility for this, you must be an international student and you should be applying as a fee paying student, and you should have an English proficiency, previously completed degrees in English language. Application deadline be May 7, 2026. And eligible programs, we have a full list of programs here. So you can apply to any of the full-time postgraduate master's program at UCL. And to apply for this particular scholarship, you need to apply for admission. And once you apply for admission, there will be a funding section. If it is not available at the time of application, it will be enabled after your application is reviewed. Then submit the application form for admission, and once it's enabled, if the funding option is showing to you, submit the funding option and then simply submit the application. That's it. Now we'll start the application process. So at the end there are two buttons, click here to apply and application video. So click on this apply button, and once you click on that, you can see UCL Global Master Scholarship official website is here. This is the University College London UCL scholarships and funding page, and all eligibility criteria regarding this. You can see deadline 7th of May 2026, and eligible fee stats is mentioned there, value of the scholarship, eligibility criteria, everything is given there. And you can see value, benefits and duration of the scholarship, selection, how to apply, everything is given here. Now you need to simply click on this International Masters Awards page. There you can see the guidelines, how to apply. You need to have submitted a complete application admission application to UCL, including the submission of references, in order to apply for the scholarship. So you can see it may take 24 hours for a reference to show once they are submitted. So including references, once references are submitted, then you'll be eligible to apply for the scholarship. So even if you don't have received an offer letter, you will be still eligible to be eligible for the scholarship. So you will have to log into this Portico and click on view active applications, and likewise submit the application there. So first you need to complete the application for the admission. There you will submit the rest of the details. And so for that, let's go to this click on study here on the top of the menu, and you can see click on graduate programs. Now you can search any of the programs here. For example, let me just search one of the programs with the keyword, let me see, and with this keyword you can see list of programs will be there. For example, I will go with the MSc here, civil engineering. Scroll down a little bit, you can see course fees, full-time mode, everything. Click on applying for this course here. Now once you click on that, you can see choose your program, choose the program entry year. So you can see MSc full-time, click on apply for this course. After that you click on this, you can see it will take you to the official page of the scholarship, you can see your details will be there. Full time you have chosen the program. For the new users, click on this new user here and simply sign up with your four names, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, confirm email address, password. Simply create account. I already have created an account here, so I'll use my same details and click on login. Now once I click on login, you can see we have successfully logged into the dashboard. You can see the course selected and you can click on next. After that, there will be details regarding the application form, you can see, and in the meantime you'll also receive the email that you have started the, let me show you the email they sent. Here you can see, thank you for registering the UCL application services, ensure that, and all details are there. So now go back to the page where you have filled and start the details. Will you require a student visa to study in UK? Select yes and enter the passport number and name on the passport and passport issue date. So mention the date of the issue of the passport and expiry of the passport here. Then upload a scanned copy of a passport here. Now let's close this. And have you ever entered UK? So we have not. Do you experience health? No. Ethnicity? Mention there. Click on proceed to the address. By this, now you'll have your phone numbers entered here and your address. Then click on proceed to education. Now select the country where you have completed your bachelor's. I'll just mention that. So it might take few seconds. Name of the college. If it is in the list, you can submit that. If it is not in the list, you can just add. Here you can see others. Please mention the name and start date of the course you have enrolled and end date. There you go. Qualifications, you can mention bachelor's. Select the degree you have completed. If you have specialization, you can submit that. Completed overall GPA. Subject you can mention, and language or medium of instruction, mention English here. Then upload the transcript. Then upload the, so we have original transcripts in the same language, so we don't need to submit that. Upload degree certificate and done. Now any additional documents. Have you taken English proficiency test? No, we have not. GRE? No, we have not. Have you taken GMAT? No. Proceed to the employment. Then enter the details of employment if you have any. And do you hold the qualified teacher? I don't. So upload your CV here. If anything is not mandatory, you can skip that. Then proceed to other details. Now you can see how will you finance this. So you can mention scholarship and then click on proceed to supporting statement. Now enter the supporting statement here, and if you have any additional documents to submit, you can submit them. Else proceed to the references. Enter the name of the referee, position, address, and then telephone and email. Confirm the email. Click on proceed to the declaration. If you applied via this, so we have not. I agree about terms and conditions. Then click on proceed to the checklist. Here you can see in checklist all details have been complete. So click on submit application. So there's any application fee, it will be mentioned here. You can see in our case for our course there's a £90 of application fee. You can pay now or pay later, but it's recommended just submit the application once you are ready to submit. Don't wait for the deadlines and don't hesitate for the fees. So I'll just go back to the step here and assume this. I have submitted the application form. Once you complete the application fee and details, it will be showing submitted here instead of saved, and you will be eligible to apply for the funding. That's the simple process. In case you have doubts, in case you have confusions regarding this scholarship, just ask us in the comment section below. Write in the comments that I need the guidance regarding this, or on Instagram directly send us message, and you can write us email at fullscholarships45@gmail.com. Our team will assist you, or help@fullscholarships.net, and our team will be answering your queries every time you ask for. So apply for this particular opportunity from our website fullscholarships.net. Until then, I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.